What's up? Welcome back to my channel. All right, so just jumping straight into things. First off, if you're wondering about my eyes, yes, I'm wearing contact lens and they are from Balongies.com. The ones I'm wearing are from the Fresh Tone Cosmetic lens, and these are the soft contact lens. Okay, and this is in the brown. This is in the color maple brown. I'll put all the specific details down below, and you know, I do have a discount code. It's PETITE-SUE. That's what it's always been, you know, on balongies.com. So all the links and stuff will be down there. So if you're wondering about my hair, it is from rpghair.com. I recently did a video with it. All the details on that will be linked as well. So let's jump into the real deal right now. All right, so today I'm just gonna be doing a full face glam, you know, kind of slash Valentine's makeup tutorial. I mean, it is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all my lovers, all the people that celebrate it. You know, not everybody does. So yeah, so this is gonna be a full glam makeup tutorial, or first impression testing new makeup. This is from Black Radiance, featuring Black Radiance makeup. Pretty excited to try out all these stuff. Can't wait, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. All right, so you know how we do already. We start off with the brows. I deliberately didn't do them off camera for this video because I want to try out this Black Radiance eyebrow pencil that I received. This is the Precision Brow Sculptor. I'm not seeing a shade, and it's not one that you sharpen. You just kind of roll it up and, you know, do what it do. But this looks like a medium brown color. So you know how I do already. If you guys need a detailed eyebrow tutorial, one is always linked below. I kind of had to pin back my hair because I didn't want it to be falling in my face, if you guys wondering. So I feel like this brow pencil is good for those who, you know, like, if you're lighter, naturally it will appear darker on your skin tone, but I'm more of like a caramel skin tone, like, you know. So I feel like from people with my skin tone or darker, this will give that ashy brown look, like, you know, that brow look, you know, that hairy brow look is really trending right now, and I've really been liking it. So I mean, I don't really mind. This brown is a little bit more muted, as I said, it's more subtle, so I feel like it's perfect if you're going for that look, you know. By the way, I did not get concealers from Black Radiance, so I'm just gonna use my regular PETITE-SUE Cosmetics, PETITE-SUE Sistar Cosmetics concealer. Just fast forwarded through the portion where I was just cleaning up my brows. Now moving on to the eyes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and prime my eyes, and this, I'm using the Perfecting Eyeshadow Primer from Black Radiance. This is how the substance inside looks. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit and then kind of just blend that out. Before I move on to anything else, I'm just gonna set the base with my Buttercup powder so that it doesn't, you know, so that the eyeshadow blends out, you know, flawlessly. I don't have an eyeshadow palette from Black Radiance, but I do have the contour kit and all that jazz and liners and stuff, so I do feel like I'm gonna go ahead and just play with what I have and see what I get. So what I'm gonna do is place a piece of tape. I haven't done this in a while. I'm gonna put tape here so that I have a very sharp, you know, I'm gonna say cat eye look. Now I'm gonna take my True Complexion contour palette, medium to dark, and this is it. Start off, I'm gonna use this shade here. This is the Sculpt. This is for sculpting, but we're using it for the eyes right now. This is just gonna work out as our like first transition color. I want to deepen that a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with a contour shade, and it just says contour. This is it. I want to do like a smoky liner. This is the Black Radiance Eye Appeal Ultra Rich Retractable Eye Pencil. It's not like super creamy, but it's very easy to apply, and it's gliding on the eyes without having to, you know, apply too much pressure to the pencil. So I really like that. So I'm gonna just take this small brush and kind of just pull the liner upwards. I don't have any shadow on this, by the way. I'm kind of trying to smudge it out because I don't want a definite line there. And using a tape makes life easier, so you don't have to worry about messing up the line on the outer part. I'm really loving it. Yes, that's exactly what I was going for. I want to create like a definite like dark line closer to my upper lash line, so I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance waterproof liquid liner, and this is in black. I know it looks messy right here, but when I remove the tape, it will be very sharp. I'm gonna move on to the face makeup portion, and then I'll come back to the eyes a little later. For primer, I do have the Black Radiance True Complexion Refining Skin Primer. It gives me a matte finish, and it makes my skin a little bit more fine, and it's oil free as it says on the packaging. So today, yes, this is another video that I'm gonna test out some foundation in for you guys. They went ahead and they sent me 2 different foundations, and this is the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup Oil Free Foundation. They sent me these in the shades Brownie and Cashmere. This is Cashmere, this is Brownie. I feel like I'm gonna try out Cashmere. Oh, it doesn't have a pump or anything. What it has is like this little spatula. So that's how that looks. So we're just gonna test this bit out at the jawline right there. Tap this on into the skin. This doesn't look bad. This looks like it can go on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the rest of my face. Guys, I'm so light-handed when it comes on to foundation, because you see, because on a daily basis, you guys know I don't use it. It's like I really don't want to, you know, weigh down my skin with too much product, so I'm as light-handed as possible. I actually like the way this blended out. I didn't have to use a lot. Like, a little goes a long way. I feel like if you have like a lot of hyperpigmentation, you definitely would have to use more, and I feel like it's definitely a buildable formula. As I said before, I didn't receive any concealers, so I'm just using my regular concealers from Sacha Cosmetics. Like, guys, I'm so light-handed with the products. Like, I'm not using a lot at all. I do have a little concealer duo here, but the shades in here are too dark, so these are only like, they can only work for like contouring for me. So this is a True Complexion Custom Concealer, and this is the medium to dark. So I'm actually gonna do a little bit of cream contouring, and I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And you guys know that this is a step where majority of the time I don't even do, but you know, we're just trying out new things. Not really new, but just switching it up a little bit, you know. Here, I'm just gonna, you know, bring that like right there. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down, because I don't like, you know, when you have that like harsh line at all. Cheeks look more bronze rather than harsh like contour, so I really love how that is looking. All right, now it's time to move on to setting. I didn't get like a loose powder or anything like that, so you know, I like to set my highlighted portions with like a lighter powder, so I'm gonna use my Buttercup for that portion. All right, so I did receive a face powder, and this one is in Bronze Glow. It is a regular pressed powder. It does say oil-free formula, and it's a matte finish, so I guess they just opted for that name. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with this. It does look very close to my regular face powder, so yes. Now guys, for the areas that I contoured, I'm gonna go back into the contour palette and I'm gonna use the shade that says contour to kind of just set the areas that I applied the cream into earlier on. I must say I really like this contour kit because the stuff are actually very pigmented. You know, like how you have some products sometime and it's like they look rich in the palette, but then when you apply them to your actual skin, they don't pop. Like, this is still rich when you apply it. Okay, so for the nose contour, I have to tone it down. I can't use the same powder, so I'm gonna go in with the Sculpt powder, the one in the middle. Yeah, because I don't like, I wouldn't want the nose contour to be as harsh. The fact that I did my eyes and everything in the beginning, like, I don't feel the need to bake because everything is well set. So we're just gonna take an extra step to set, and what I'm gonna do is use my Sistar setting spray to just set everything. Something that I like doing is just taking my beauty sponge and just kind of dabbing that into the skin, so, you know, like it really sets. We're gonna glow. I do see a highlighter in here that looks very golden, and it says highlight. Like, the palette is super straightforward, guys. They're not here to confuse you at all. You see how golden it looks? Yes, this. So I'm gonna highlight before I go ahead and apply the mascara. Oh, this is a very subtle highlight, guys. Very, very subtle. So if you want to be on the more subtle side, but it's also buildable, like you can see the glow coming out more and more as I pack on the layers. And you know why I like spraying my face before I do this? Like, since recently I've been doing this. It's like when you apply the highlight on top of everything, it's like it melts into the skin. Like, it's really nice. Guys, I might sound a little weird. I'm not sure if you hear it, but I'm actually recovering from the flu, you know, because of the climate change and everything here in Jamaica. For the mascara, I'm using the Black Radiance. You know, Black Radiance is in front of everything. The Black Radiance waterproof mascara, and it's of course black. I do have a lip gloss here for the lippy, and it's nude. Okay, this is the Black Radiance High Gloss Sheer color. It doesn't have a name for like the shade, but as you can see, it's like a glowy gloss. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on so you guys can see what it looks like. But I really feel like I want to go for some color like red, like popping red, and I don't have a Black Radiance red here, so, but I'm gonna go ahead. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. This and it smells good. It doesn't have a taste though, but it smells good. Oh my gosh, this is nice. This is nice, guys. If you want to be more subtle and like toned down, I feel like this lip is for you, like with a look like this. Yes, I really love how it looks. Looks really nice. So I showed you the lip gloss that I got from Black Radiance, but I really want to do like a popping red lip, so that's what I'm gonna move on to. So I'm just gonna, you know, wipe this off real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna first line my lips with my NYX Auburn Rouge liner. Over top, this is actually one of my favorite red lipsticks to use. This is the Milani Amore number 22 lipstick. All right, this is their lip cream. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, as I said, it was like a first impression slash full glam, even though it was like 85 to 90% of the products that I use that were Black Radiance. I know there's a bit of talking, but I mean, it's necessary because, you know, I'm kind of, as I said, it's like a first impressions as well. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below as usual, and I will list each and every product that I use to achieve this look in the description box. Okay, I know the liner is a bit on the dramatic side, but I mean, it was kind of what I was going for. Also, I must let all you guys know, for who is coming to Jamaica and who is currently in Jamaica and will be in Jamaica up to the 24th of February, yes, this month, that you have a chance to meet me, because Black Radiance is launching here in Jamaica, and that will be at Sacha Cosmetics here in Kingston at Halfway Tree at the Springs. Okay, so I'll be there all day, okay, because this begins at 12 noon until, all right, and there will be refreshments, you know, testing of Black Radiance makeup products and stuff like that, you know, music. It's gonna be a really like nice chill vibe. So, you know, just come out, you know, meet me. There's a lot of people that keep on commenting, when are you going to have a meet and greet, another meet and greet, that is, because I've had like what, 4 meet and greets in the past, and all of them were amazing. Yes, February 24th I'll be at Sacha Cosmetics. That's where it all will be happening. Black Radiance launch here in Jamaica. So that's pretty cool. All right, so as I said, just come out, meet me. It starts at 12 noon, and you know, we have refreshments, music, all that jazz. Let's take pictures, let's learn about these products, talk about makeup and stuff like that. Yeah, just wanted to get that out there to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.